Here's a 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. As strong and reliable as they come, with advanced technology that keeps your day productive. This Silverado 1500 has a bold look with an intimidating front end, sculpted hood, and signature LED lighting. But it still provides the same strength and power that makes it the best tool for a productive day on the job site. Bed rail protectors help protect a cargo box that will haul the heaviest loads and get in and out easily with a corner step rear bumper. Once you're strapped in, relax in a quiet cabin on dual resilient foam seats and with the peace of mind knowing the high-strength steel safety cage will protect you in the event of an impact.
You're set to handle any job or haul any of your toys with the included heavy-duty trailer equipment. Streamline your smartphone, digital media devices, and more with the attractive and seamlessly integrated Chevrolet MyLink system. See objects previously out of sight with the rear-view camera.
When your livelihood depends on whether your truck can handle the load, don't bother driving anything else but this Silverado. Stop by for a test drive today.
Call, click, or come on by. We are conveniently located at 1215 Highway 71 South in Fort Smith, Arkansas. Online at smithchevyland.com.